Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go over the placement for a 20-inch LED light bar in the lower grille of my wife's 2006 H3 Hummer. Sorry, tired, been up all day. So here's how the 20-inch light bar fits in there. She has a 32 she wanted in there. It doesn't quite fit. I think the max you can fit in there with the proper brackets is a 30-inch with my measurements. I think the 20-inch is going to fit in there just nice, as you've seen. Now I got to figure out how I'm going to bolt it up, and then we're going to wire it in and see what happens. Alright, well, as you've seen earlier, I got the light bar in. Now I have the holes drilled, but I don't have long enough bolts to mount it to where it's got to go. So as you can see, I drilled a hole here and a hole here. That goes to the mounting brackets that come with the light bar. And it's just a shame that I don't have long enough bolts to get it bolted in today. I'll grab a couple from work tomorrow. Yeah. Until then, the build continues. Alright, we're back. So I found some bolts to mount this light bar that were the right length, but now, and I drilled these holes perfect without even measuring them. So as you can see, I got one side bolted up already. I still got this side to bolt up. Then I got to aim the light bar and wire it in. So we will get to you once I finish getting this bolted in. We're going to go over the aiming process of it, and hopefully I can get this one wired in today. Hopefully, because the wife's got a bunch of other ones I got to do yet. So see you soon. So now I got both bolts in, just bolted down. It's just kind of sitting in there. It's loose. As you can see, I can move it. It's not tight. We're gonna have to wait till dark, and then you aim it up against a building, a flat wall, at night with no other lights on. Find the position you like, and then you tighten it in. Thing is that I'm wiring this in for a fog light application. You're going to want it kind of pointed down at the ground, more so because you want it to be able to cut through the fog, not blind you. Because when you have your lights are super bright and you're driving through fog, what it does is it just lights it up, and it's like you're driving into a wall because you can't see anything 10 feet in front of you. It's like that in the snow as well down here in the most southern part of Ontario. But yeah, so I got one light bolted up into the Hummer. I have to figure out how I'm going to mount the other light bar to the roof. And I don't know if I might convince her to get a 50-inch to go across with the brackets online. It's only about $70. I don't think she's ever going to use it. It's more up there just for looks for her. That's basically what she wants it for. She wants the look. Alright, whatever. She's buying it, I'll do it. Other than that, I'm going to be starting on the headlights pretty soon. Yeah, So I just gotta wire this light bar up. That would be probably in my next clip. We'll see what happens. We'll see how far I get. If I look at the wiring harness for that came with the other light bar and the 2 pods, and see if I can make that one work for this light. If not, we'll see what happens. We'll have to go from there. So, but we're going to go back here, and we are going to, I'm going to turn the light on so it's a little better lighting in here. It's on. Didn't help any. So here we are. There's some brackets. And here is the wiring harness. So let's break this bad boy open and see what we have. So on off toggle switch, plugged, and then we got a lot of cord. We got a relay, a fuse to connect to the battery, and I believe there's 3 connectors on here. Yeah, 3, so you can run 2 spotlights and a light bar off this wiring harness. Not quite sure what route we're gonna go, because I had these cheap mounts I bought a long time ago for the A pillars of this Hummer here. They're extremely cheap. They might work, they might not work, so they've just kind of been sitting here. They're bolted down, they're not going to go anywhere. My only concern is that this is all plastic and it kind of just pops into place. So I put I think the lights would be okay on there, but I just haven't figured out where I'm going to run the wires, if I'm going to tuck them down in behind here or what. And if she's actually going to use them or not, I don't know yet. So we got to figure all that out. Yeah. Oh, and the cool thing about this wiring harness is it's got the on and off switch, but it also has a remote somewhere in here. It's got a remote. Yeah, so if I wanted to, I could disconnect that on and off toggle switch, or no, I put this in between the toggle switch, right? There's 2 white connectors, and there's the remote. It goes into this connection here, right here, and lets me run one light or both lights or all lights on and off. And I believe that has the strobe function in it, which is nice. I haven't got a chance to test it yet, but it should be pretty cool when it's done. I can't wait to try it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.